Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. Let me show you how to create a new user account. Click Start and open Settings. Click Accounts. Now select Other Users. Click Add Account. If you want a local account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username. Enter a password, and then confirm it. For the purpose of demonstration, I am entering a simple password, but you should select a strong password. Select questions and answer these questions. These help in recovering account if you forgot the password. There are total 3 questions. Click Next. The new account is created successfully. That's it. Simple and quick. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides.